when we had a singer saying Jawan Janeman, I remembered my first year because I got a prize for that also. Of course, I would not like to try it now.
So we need to give them a big round of applause. And I appreciate each and every members of this group. Some are professional, I guess. Some are learners. Some are growing in their talents. They have done extremely well in each and every field they are in. And that is why, which we truly need to appreciate, is the harmony.
It's a great moment for me wherein people from Sankhali and nearby area have got this opportunity to learn music, and that too not only the classical but the western also. And thanks to Destiny Academy, I wish all of you all give a big round of applause to Destiny Academy for being that medium in order to for our students, for so many, I believe, to learn music at whatever age.